Hey, this is Brad with WTI. Ever on your way home from work and thinking about, oh man, I gotta get home and chop up vegetables or cut up a bunch of other things to make dinner and get dinner ready? That's where this Kocbelle 1.3 cup food processor comes in really handy. This has become our favorite new kitchen gadget because it's portable, it plugs in and it's battery powered. You charge it and then it's ready to go and ready to use. The battery lasts for a good while. Another thing that we like about it too is it's very quiet. Food processors, you start running them, it's almost like using a blender. It's got a rubber coating on the bottom of a very thick glass bowl, so it's very sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's going to move around on you. We also like that it's dishwasher safe. You can take it apart and put all the pieces in the dishwasher except for the motor, obviously. Nice and smooth, and you can press down on it from the top. It's like a really large button, so you're not having to try to hunt for a spot, especially if your hands are a little bit slippery or something like that. It's easy to work. And then another nice thing too is, you know how food processors, you have to get in there sometimes because it didn't quite chop something. Well, with this being a small portable unit, you can kind of shake it around and move it a little bit. So you can use the little scraper in here to move things around. And then also when you take it apart to scoop out whatever you've chopped. We end up using this for a lot of onions and garlic and things like that. And so instead of cutting our onions, this thing chops it up really quick and we have it chopped up and ready to go before our eyes can even start watering. So that's what we really enjoy, and that's my point of view.